so today I am going to be doing an empties video for you guys. I have quite a few random items here. I've got just a few hair care. I've got a little collection of some small travel size skincare products and one lonely makeup product. So let's start with the makeup product. So this was also in my project pan. This is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector, and I finished this up completely. It took me a really long time to finish it, but I did. I did like it, although I think I want to try out other concealers right now before I would consider purchasing this again. Let's go into some hair care. So I finished up this conditioner. This is the Infusium Repair and Renew conditioner, and I don't know, this wasn't really my favorite. I wouldn't purchase this again, but you know, I use it to use it up. I'm kind of glad it's gone, and now I'm moving on to something else. Next hair care product that I used up is the Loreal Style Alcohol-Free Curl Activating Mousse. So as it sounds, like there's still like a tiny bit in here and I cannot get it out. It won't come out. So I liked this product up to a certain point. So this works really, really well to help keep curls in my hair, and I really like it. But it only worked well for about halfway through. And then once it got to the halfway mark, I don't know if it's the packaging or what, I would shake it and try and get it to come out, and it would just kind of be watery when it came out. It wouldn't foam, and it used to foam all the time. So I used it for a while like that, and now there's like probably about this much left and nothing comes out. So for that reason, I don't think I would purchase this because I really couldn't get the full usage out of it. I didn't enjoy using it once it stopped foaming. So it was about halfway through. So I liked it, but if I can only use half the product well, then I don't know if it's really worth it. So yeah, I liked it at first, and then afterwards not so much. Next hair care product that I used up is this Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask. So this is the coconut one, coconut and extract, and this one is supposed to be, I'm looking at this card here, this is supposed to be the nourishing for dry hair. So I used this two different ways. I used it as a leave-in conditioner, like after the shower, and I did like it for that. It helped detangle and helps my hair just feel a little more moisturized. But I then used the rest of what was in here as like a mask, and I left it on for more than a minute because I just left it on for however long it took me to shave my legs and stuff like that. So it was okay for that, but I don't think it was really awesome. Like, it's not my favorite deep conditioner that I've used. I don't know. And the smell was just okay. I don't particularly like coconut scent, but it was okay. I don't know. I wouldn't go out and purchase this based on this sample. I also tried before the avocado one, and that is supposed to smooth frizzy hair. I think I preferred that one better. But yeah, so wouldn't purchase full size, but it was nice to try out. Now let's go into my small size skincare products that I used up. The first one is the dr.brant microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator, and this actually took me quite a while to use because I only used it once a week, because it is a little bit more abrasive than something you would want to use every day. So I used it once a week, and I did really like it. I enjoyed using it. I don't know if I would pick this up full size or not. I think I want to try out some other ones first, because I think this is more expensive of a product in the full size. So it's pretty much the only reason why. If I got another sample though, I would be super excited to use it because I do really like this product. I just think that it might be a little pricey, so I want to see if I can find any other options, and if not, then this is something I would probably consider purchasing. Next item that I used up is this little Purity micellar cleansing water. So this I did like. I did notice a little bit that if I had soaked the product a lot on the cotton pad and then put it directly on my eyes, it not necessarily burned, but I could feel that it would if it got into my eyes any more than it kind of did in a way. I just focused it mainly under my eyes and didn't put it directly on my eyes at first. So I did like it. I do think it took off my eye makeup really well. It also took off my face makeup really well. I would consider purchasing this, but I do like to try out different micellar waters. I think that this is very comparable to some that I have purchased at the drugstore, so it would kind of depend on price. But I do think that it's nice, so if you are thinking about trying this out, I definitely would. Just don't put a lot on and then put it directly on your eyes first. Next skincare product that I used up is the Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief, and this is the gel. Yeah, the gel. And this made me really like this product. So this is great for me for the summertime. I will definitely be purchasing a full size of this. I hope I'm going to purchase it this month through the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I really, really liked this. This was awesome, and I do recommend this. Definitely try this out. I also love the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion for the winter time. So really, really liked this. Next item that I used up is the Ole Henriksen African Red Tea Foaming Cleanser. This was okay. I didn't love it, mostly because of the scent and that it didn't take off makeup as well, but I loved that it come with a pump and that it foamed, and I don't know, I really liked it. It lasted a good amount of time, but I just didn't care for the scent, so I wouldn't purchase it because of that. I actually have another one of these. It's not called this anymore. It's actually called something else, so I have the newer version of it that I'm currently using. It's the same size and everything. So I'm still using this, just in different packaging, but I won't purchase the full size because of the scent, and I don't think it was the best cleanser I've ever used. But it was okay. It works fine if you need one, just to cleanse your face. I used up this little guy here. This is the Clarins Mult-Active SPF 20, and I'm currently working on another one of these, same size, and I think it's nice for SPF on your face. It doesn't break me out or anything, but I don't like it for any hydration or anything like that. I don't feel like it gives me enough moisturizer, or it doesn't moisturize my face enough, and I tried to use it with an oil to make it more moisturizing, and it doesn't really work well with it. I don't know, it kind of pilled up a little bit, so I don't think this works well with oils anyway. I didn't try it with another moisturizer along with it, but I don't know, if I just wanted SPF on my face and wasn't putting any other skincare product on my face, then I would say this is good and fine, but I don't know if I would purchase a full size of this. Probably not. Last little skincare product that I used up. This took me a really long time. This is the Lancome Absolute Eye Premium. So this is an eye cream. And I used this thing up completely. There's nothing left in there. Like I said, it took me a long time to use. Now with this one, I did have to be a little bit careful. Like, I couldn't put a ton of this on my eyes at a time. I did only use a little bit of it, and then it worked just fine. It was moisturizing. I could use makeup over top of it. Really good eye cream for moisturizing. I don't know if I noticed a whole lot of other benefits as far as like concealing my dark circles, or not concealing them, but helping with my dark circles or fine lines or anything. Maybe slightly fine lines, mostly on the outer part here, but not the line that I have under my eyes. So yeah, I mean, it was just okay. Okay, so on to some like random things now. I have quite a few. I finished up this Burt's Bees lip balm in mango flavor or scent. And I liked it. It wasn't my favorite. So it actually fell out of the packaging. I still had a tiny bit left, but then it fell out onto the ground. So it's not really sanitary to use after that. But it was okay. I liked using it. I don't know if I would go out and purchase this again. I have quite a few lip balms to go through before I purchase any in general. Next random is some multivitamins, women's gummy vitamins, and these are from the brand Alive. I think that's Alive. And yeah, they were good. They tasted good. I like the gummies because I hate taking pills. So yeah, these are pretty good. I would probably purchase them again. I need to purchase some more vitamin gummies because I don't currently have any, so I need to purchase more of these. I finally used these up. This is the Whispers 100% cotton rounds, and I hated these. I don't like these at all. I finally picked up a new pack of Myers brand ones, and I love them so much better. I hated these. I'm so glad they're gone. Don't recommend them. Used up another Method hand soap. This is in the Sweetwater one. This one's like more of a clear color. I like I think it's something Waterfall or something, the blue one. I like that one better, but this one's still okay. I like this foaming hand soap, and I have repurchased this multiple times. These are cotton swabs, and these, it says, are Good Neighbor Pharmacy brand, I think is what that says on there. I'm not really sure, but anyway, these were okay. I think they work fine. They work better than the dollar store ones, but I think the Q-tip brand ones work better than this, so that's what I'm currently using. But yeah, they did the job. They worked. They were fine. I don't hate them, but I don't love them either. Something that I have shown in my empties before, and I love these. That's why I show them. I don't really show a lot of food items in my empties, but these I love, and I don't know where to get them except for overseas. This is the Three Squirrels macadamia nut, and I really, really like this. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. And I think the inner packaging on all the different nuts looks the same. I think the outer packaging is the one that looks different. So I finished those up. I love these. They're really good. So that is everything. That is my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know there wasn't a whole lot of beauty things, but my bag was completely full, so I had to go through it. If you've tried any of these products I've mentioned, please let me know what your thoughts are on them. I'm always interested to know. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I will see you guys next time. Bye.